Hi, yeah, I'm Luke. I work at Mowers and Cores, the brewery in Burton, not far away from Uttoxeter where we are today. Yeah, my love for mowing has come from golf really. I'm quite a good golfer. I like to think. I play down at Trenton Golf Club in Stoke-on-Trent, and I just like my garden to be like a fairway really. So that's why I've got the Allett Cambridge here today to do a bit of get those beautiful lines that we see behind us. We've been here in Bramshall about 2 years now. When we moved in, the grass was basically a nice limey green full of moss, not really pretty, and then wanted to put some lines in there, and yeah, it takes a lot of time. A lot of scarification was needed to get rid of that moss, and a lot of treatment work to really bring it back to where it is today. And it's still a lot of work, a lot of thatch coming back every year to get that. So it's taken a lot of time, but pleased with the progress that we've made today. And really the stripes have just added that next dimension with the cylinder mower. My current mower is a McGregor battery cylinder mower, which is small, doesn't take too long. It's quite light and nimble. It gets around, but doesn't really give the finish that the Allett has given today. So start with the handlebars. The handlebars really comfy. You know, got a nice foam ridge here. The starter motor is just a click and pull. You know, really simple. Drive from behind. It all fits very nice in the hands together. Speed, again, speed to where you want to be. If you want to walk slowly, walk fast, you just change it. Quick dial of there. It's really good. So moving on to the battery then. The battery here. Quick, easy, accessible, in and out. We've done the full lawn today with a full charge. We've still got 2 bars on the battery. We've also done a bit of scarifying, so there's plenty of battery life. The actual mower itself is really light, nimble, turns quite easily, and the cut height, you can change that quite simply on the back as well. Okay, so we also used the Scarifier cartridge today. Flipped it in and out. That was a quick job. Two screws in and out. We've then lowered the settings down to 0, and as you can see here, we haven't really made a mess of the garden, and we've taken 2-3 boxes of thatch out, so it's really come good, and we can see there's not much mess, but still a lot of scarification to go. This box here, the new box, it's great. You can see in, you know how much you've got in there. It takes quite a lot in. Really good to use, light, quick on putting it on top, taking it off, emptying. Really impressed, really impressed. Great thing about the cylinder mower is we've got no wheels to drop down the edges here when we're going around the edges. Absolutely fantastic gliding around there, easy to use, really light. Would I recommend the Cambridge to anybody else? Yes, I would. It's light, nimble, moves around, battery powered, and look at those stripes.